Brass Eagle, Adventure Time.
In Signal Ghost. Brass Eagle Adventure Team HQ. Central Valley, California. Communications Room.
Message from the Recon team. Location confirmed. Nothing but ash.
Dang it. I was hoping for something. Anything.
This thing we are up against is ahead of us.
Predicting our next move.
How do we get ahead of it? That's the real question.
Analysis Room.
I was able to record when our signal started to drop off.
Check it out.
I see. That's strange. Just like Ashley said. It's a signal graveyard.
Yes, sir.
Riki, debriefing complete.
Yes, sir. We are just wrapping up.
Excellent. Report back immediately.
On my way, sir. Duty calls. Later, Isabella.
Yeah, see you. What am I missing? That signal in the Sierras, it doesn't make sense. A VPN, of course. That's how they masked it, burned the site to cover their tracks. Tracing the signal, almost there. Got you. I traced the signal. They're using a decentralized VPN. Bouncing through multiple servers, they burned the site. But I found the origin point or remote server farm.
The end. And the adventures continue.
Thanks for watching. Click that like button, subscribe if you are not already, and the adventures continue.